Hi there, Chingir here, and today I want to talk about something different from talent acquisition and recruitment and job hunting. Today I want to talk about purposeful and confident communication. And what do I mean by that? Purposeful and confident communication has everything to do with how you show up in the world. How do you speak up your truth? How do you behave authentically when everything is in alignment, your body, your spirit, your mind? I think it's very important to communicate clearly, authentically, in order to manifest your best life. And there are three things that are helping me on my journey, right? First one is the mindset, is the belief that it's not about me, it's about something bigger. The quote that I really love, and it serves me as a fuel for many, many years, is the important work of moving the world forward does not wait to be done by perfect men. This is a quote by Marianne Evans. She's more famous under her pen name George Eliot. And she was a lady, very prolific poet and writer and novelist, but she was writing under a name pretending that she is a male writer. So very interesting, right? She said that. She's saying the important work of moving the world forward does not wait to be done by perfect men not being a man, right? And I think for us, it's all a lesson in the guidance that don't make it about yourself. If you are a person on the mission, if you are a person that sees that there are challenges, there are problems in the world that have to be solved, and look around yourself, there are plenty. Make it about the problem. Make it about the change. Be the conduit of this change. This is the change that I want to see in the world. And I'm choosing to be the conduit of this change. Number two, I want to talk about just overall content creation. I think it's an amazing tool, first of all, right? It's a tool of shaping yourself. Being a better writer makes you a better speaker. Being a better speaker makes you a better writer. Derek Sivers, look him up as well. All his work, all his writing, amazing. He said something in his book that really resonated with me. A good public speaking is a lot of private thinking, a lot of good private thinking. So this is why I keep doing what I do, basically. That's my fuel. I write to get better at it, to be a better thinker. And if you're a better thinker, you can manifest a better quality of life for yourself. Lastly, number three, it's always super important to remember in the back of your mind at all times, absolutely everyone has imposter syndrome, right? There's a joke out there, like, who doesn't have imposter syndrome? Imposters. Everyone else, we all have these thoughts, we all have doubt, we all have mental chatter, this inner monkey brain that is all constantly talking, hey, stop doing what you're doing, right? Maybe it's not good enough. And you know what? It's very important to remember, we are not perfect, no one is. We all are dealing with our own issues, with our own problems. We're all trying to do the best we can here in this strange journey of being a human, right? And life is complicated enough. Let's help each other. Let's figure it out together. Let's talk to each other and communicate and share ideas and opinions. And that's always a non-zero sum game, right? If I give you $1, I don't have $1. But if I give you an idea, you give me an idea. We both have two ideas. That's a non-zero sum game. Communicate more, better. Strive to be a better communicator. And I hope these three things, they will keep fueling you, right? It doesn't matter if you have compassion, if you have kindness, if you truly care about what happens to people around you. You can be a leader, you are a leader already, right? So lead from where you are, the way you can, do your best. Everything else you will pick up everything else on the way. Right? The right people, the right techniques, methodologies, knowledge, tools, everything you will pick up on the way. As Buddhists say, at first you choose the path, and then the path will choose you. Right? Choose your path, commit to it, and through commitment, transformation will occur. I wish you all the best. Happy Canada Day.